What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 for free. Upgrading to Windows 11 can bring a slew of benefits, including a more streamlined and aesthetic-pleasing interface, improved performance features, and better security enhancements. Before we begin, it's crucial to ensure that you're working with a genuine copy of Windows 10. Upgrading to Windows 11 without a legitimate version won't be possible. While all your files should remain intact during the upgrade, I strongly advise backing up your important data as a precautionary measure. Firstly, verify that your PC meets the minimum requirements for Windows 11. Although Windows Update might inform you about compatibility, you can also proactively check this. If you haven't received a notification, don't fret. You can download the Windows PC Health Check tool from the official Microsoft site linked in the video description to assess your system's compatibility. After you've downloaded the Windows PC Health Check tool, run the application and click on the Check Now button. If you meet the minimum requirements, you will receive a green check mark along with the affirmation message. In case there's any issue with one or more specs within your system, you have the option on the same message pop-up screen to see what components on your system do not meet the minimum requirements. You can then replace them before upgrading to Windows 11. Once you've confirmed that your system is ready for the upgrade, the next step is to download the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. This handy tool is available on the Microsoft website, which I've also linked below. Download the tool to proceed with the upgrade process. After downloading, the installation process is straightforward. Run the Installation Assistant and let it do its thing. The tool will download all necessary files in 3 main steps. The duration of this process will vary, depending on your internet speed and computer specs, so a little patience here goes a long way. Upon completion, the Installation Assistant will prompt you to restart your PC. Go ahead and restart. Upon booting up, your system will upgrade to Windows 11, with all your files transitioning seamlessly to the new operating system. You now have to upgrade to Windows 11, enjoying all the new features and improvements it has to offer. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.